Oh, nice. I could have caught that one.
Snipe that one.
Come here. No retriever necessary.
Welcome to Rocky TV. Just finished up, hitting the road after a nice little duck hunt here. Was a real barrel burner, had a really good time. My wife is 8 months pregnant, and she's having a really hard time anymore with the walk-in public stuff. And so I said, you know what? As your push present, you know those are things? Push presents? A present for, I mean, you could, anyways. As your push present, why don't we meet up with our friend Ed over at Hanson Outdoors. Real easy, they'll drive you up on the side-by-side, set you up. We did that, and I think finally the birds are here because this season has been really, really tough, but we had a really good time. I think she had a really good time. We put some birds down, made some new friends, which is always awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage. We're just sitting at a little pond. I mean, there's nothing about this pond that stands out and says, hey, this should be an awesome duck hunting pond to me. But man, they wanted it. And they decoyed right. They did it dirty. I hope you guys enjoy the footage.
The 940.
Vanilla. The black people.
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
I don't even see him. No, I got that one.
I got hit in the head with a shell.
That happened.
Here.
Damn, I forgot how much those boss shells hit.
Yeah, he kicked. Who's he on? Kill him? I didn't see him.
Huh?
There's a bird in the spread.
There's one in the decoy. Don't shoot decoy.
Where's that?
Straight decoy.
Nice.
Here in a minute, we're gonna have to get down and hide.
There's some more.
Two more.
Two more.
Here, kill him! Kill him!
The dog's like, which one do I go for?
What were them first two? Ring next.
Here comes two. Kill him! Kill him! There's 5 more. Huh? We're gonna kill these to come in because there's mallards. Kill him!
Well, I'll be darned.
Let's go, man.
That's probably more ducks we shot all season.
Do what?
More ducks we shot all season.
Yeah, no kidding. Almost.
Come on! Here!
I'm having a hard time getting, like, it's hard for me to turn towards the center because I shoot left-handed.
Oh yeah, you want to switch?
No, that's fine. If they're over here, I'm okay.
Right here out front.
Yeah, one up front. Kill him! Kill him!
I ain't too good to water swatter, bro.
No, you got
it. Oh, never mind, you doves.
I give my son a hard time. He's like the water SWAT king.
Hey, I don't,
Not above it.
I'm not above it either.
I'm not about, especially those little birds we've seen this year.
Take them where you can get them.
He got two woodies in one shot.
Really?
Really?
That's awesome.
That's awesome, yeah.
One big old stud drake.
Right here, out front. Out.
Catch that one.
Ooh, got that one too.
Did you?
Yeah.
That one fell from the head.
There's one way back there.
We got 3 out of that group.
Yeah.
One coming out front.
Nice. Good shot.
He don't look too good on the water.
He's got to through.
Is that the thing Wesley has?
Yeah. That the Max's too?
Max's too,
Yeah.
That's weird. His is killing birds.
Right here, y'all get ready.
Kill him.
Ooh. Oh, nice! I could have caught that one.
Snipe that one.
Come here. No retriever necessary. He landed in the blind.
You're welcome.
Nice shot.
Thank you. Out front, 4.
Get him.
Oh, you gotta be. Nice shot. Oh, nice shot.
Oh, we gotta hit our cars. Right there.
Nice.
Out front, one out front. Some up in the sky too. Yep.
Kill him.
Good.
He's on.
Well, who done that? But that's perfect.
Whoa.
My bad.
You scared those other 3 off.
My bad. They'll come back.
They're... Don't split this.
Here he comes. Kill him! Kill him! Yeah, baby, 2 mallards.
Mallards.
Woo!
Hell yeah.
And I didn't even shoot.
Ducks to the right.
2 ducks to the right.
What?
2 ducks to the right.
Two to the right.
Yeah.
Right by the, over the vehicles.
Come on over here.
3 in front. 3 in front. Coming. They're coming.
Kill him!
They both went down. It's fun when you have to get to shoot ducks.
Yeah, no kidding.
Kill those 3.
I was gonna say, ain't no way it ain't hit. Hey, YOLO. Nice. You got
Is that
some.
another mallard?
Yeah, that one out there, I think. I was like, there's no way I missed that one.
Someone over to the left.
Come here.
The other cripple up by the where's that white thing?
Come here.
You don't want to count that cripple. He's breaking his back. Why am I in trouble?
That's the one that was diving too,
Right
ain't
here, right here.
it? Nice. Good shot.
Players coming in.
Kill him! Kill him!
Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna get a count because we
Alright.
may be right at like 28 or 29.
You gotta be real close.
They're doing it good.
Yeah, they are.
There you go.
Doing it like you want.
You can barely see them over the trees.
Oh, I see them now.
Yep. Straight out front.
12 o'clock.
He's supposed to sit right
Kill him! Kill him! Kill that green hill!
Nice.
Ooh, nice.
Nice,
Let's
baby.
go.
I'm gonna get a count. I think we may be right at 30.
Well, there's a big creek coming right in on us. They're gonna shit on us.
Kill those two.
Nice.
That's probably our limit right there.
This one's still live there. Finish it. That'll do it.
Here you go now.
Oh,
Y'all get the drake or the hen?
Drake. Let's go. Good job.
Probably wouldn't drill it.
Nice hunt.
Nice hunt. Nice to meet y'all.
Yeah, you as well.